The next chapter of the mobile revolution is officially here, and if you have been holding off on a tablet upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded in a massive way. We are standing on the precipice of a shift that renders the line between professional laptops and mobile tablets completely invisible. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an incremental update, it is a total reconstruction of what a flagship slate can achieve. From the elimination of the notch to a processing architecture that rivals desktop workstations, this is the definitive breakdown of the hardware that is set to dominate 2026. The most striking change begins the moment you look at the device. For years, the notch was a necessary compromise for housing high-end sensors, but the era of the cutout is over. Authentic supply chain reports confirm that the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra debuts the most advanced under-display camera system ever seen on a large format screen. This creates a completely seamless, edge-to-edge, 14.6-inch canvas. This isn't just about aesthetics, it is about immersion. When you are editing high-resolution video or navigating complex 3D environments, having a continuous, uninterrupted display changes the entire workflow. The panel itself is a technological marvel. Moving into 2026, Samsung is utilizing a Tandem OLED structure. By stacking two light-emitting layers, they have achieved a staggering 3,000 nits of peak brightness. This solves the oldest problem with tablets, visibility in high-glare environments. Whether you are working on a balcony in the bright afternoon sun or under harsh studio lights, the contrast remains perfect and the colors remain deep. This display supports a dynamic refresh rate that scales from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz, providing fluid motion for gaming and cinematic playback while sipping power during static tasks like reading or drafting. Furthermore, this display is protected by the latest iteration of Gorilla Armor, designed specifically to reduce reflections by up to 75%. This ensures that even under the most intense overhead office lighting, your deep blacks remain ink-like and your colors stay vibrant, providing a viewing experience that was previously only possible in controlled, dark-room environments. The physical build of the S12 Ultra has undergone a prestigious transformation. Moving away from traditional aluminum, the chassis is now crafted from grade 5 titanium. This transition provides a dual benefit. It significantly increases the structural integrity of such a large, thin device, while actually reducing the overall weight. It feels remarkably dense and premium in the hand, yet it won't weigh down a gear bag during a long commute. The rails of the device feature a refined, brushed finish that resists fingerprints, maintaining that out-of-the-box look even after a full day of heavy use. Under the hood, we are looking at the most powerful silicon ever put into a mobile, Android device. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is the beating heart of the S12 Ultra. This chipset is built on a specialized 3-nanometer process that focuses heavily on sustained thermal performance. In previous generations, tablets would often throttle their speed during intense tasks like 8K video rendering. However, the S12 Ultra introduces an enlarged vapor chamber cooling system that allows the processor to run at peak clock speeds for much longer durations. The most shocking specification for the 2026 model is the memory. In a move that clearly targets the highest tier of professional users, Samsung is offering a staggering 24 GB RAM configuration. This puts the S12 Ultra in direct competition with high-end laptops. This level of memory isn't just for show. It is designed to power the new Neural Dex environment. This is a complete reimagining of the desktop experience on a tablet. With 24 GB of RAM, the system can keep dozens of heavy applications in a live state. You can jump from a 4K timeline in LumaFusion to a complex CAD file and back to a browser, with 50 open tabs without a single app refreshing or stuttering. Productivity is further enhanced by the new S Pen Pro 3. The stylus now features integrated haptic motors. As you glide the pen across the glass, the internal magnets vibrate at microscopic frequencies to simulate the feeling of different textures. If you select a pencil tool, the pen provides the tactile drag of graphite on paper. If you switch to a felt-tip marker, the sensation changes to a smoother, softer glide. This tactile feedback bridges the gap between digital and physical creation, making it the most intuitive tool for artists and architects. The camera system on the rear has also seen a significant leap, adopting sensors from the flagship S-series phones. The main 200-megapixel sensor allows for incredible detail in document scanning and even professional-grade photography if you find yourself using a tablet for field work. But the real star is the video capability. The S12 Ultra now supports internal 8K recording at 60 frames per second, with improved thermal management ensuring the device doesn't overheat during long takes. For creators in the US and UK markets who need a portable B-cam or a high-end mobile editing suite, this setup is unparalleled. Battery life and charging have finally received the upgrade we've been asking for. Powering that massive 14.6-inch Tandem OLED is a massive 11,800 mAh battery, but the headline news is the jump to 80W ultra-fast charging. In a world where every minute counts, being able to charge this massive cell from 0 to 60% in under 25 minutes is a game-changer for professional users. You can top up during a short flight or a quick coffee break and have enough juice to last through a full day of heavy multitasking. Software-wise, the S12 Ultra launches with One UI 8.1, built on Android 17. This version of the OS is heavily optimized for the Ultra experience, featuring advanced window snapping, a more robust file management system that mirrors a traditional desktop, and deep integration with Windows and macOS for those who use the tablet as a secondary display. The AI features have moved beyond simple text generation. They now handle system-level tasks like intelligent battery management and real-time noise cancellation for video calls, making the device feel like it is constantly adapting to your specific needs. Regarding availability and pricing, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is positioned as a true luxury productivity tool. We expect the base model with 12 GB of RAM to start at $1,299, while the ultimate 24 GB RAM and 2 TB storage variant will likely reach toward the $1,900 mark. While the price is high, the value is found in its ability to consolidate your tech stack. When one device can serve as your creative canvas, your cinematic display, and your primary computer, the investment becomes much easier to justify. As we look toward the official release in the second half of 2026, the anticipation continues to build. This isn't just about having the newest gadget, it's about having a tool that removes the friction from your creative and professional life. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra represents the peak of what is possible in the mobile form factor. It is powerful, it is refined, and most importantly, it is ready to work. If you are looking for the absolute best that the tech world has to offer, wait for the S12 Ultra will be well worth it. Keep your eyes on the horizon, because the future of the tablet is arriving sooner than you think. Thank you for being part of the Tap Tech community. We look forward to seeing how this hardware changes your workflow. Stay tuned for more exclusive updates.